Many players are using the EA app encounter the frustrating error message EA failed to launch the game. This issue prevents games like FIFA, Apex Legends, The Sims, Battlefield, and others from starting properly, often leaving users stuck at the launcher. The problem can arise from a variety of causes like corrupt cache files, missing permissions, outdated app versions, conflicts with antivirus firewall settings, or even broken game files. So here's how you can fix the error. First, you need to go ahead and open the EA application. Click on your profile in the top right corner and then open Settings. In the Settings menu, click on Application at the top and then scroll down. Turn off the in-game overlay option. Repeat this process for Steam by turning off the in-game overlay in its setting as well. Check if the problem is resolved. Alternatively, if you're using Windows Insider Preview, you can try the solution shared on the EA form as well. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.